Hello everyone and welcome back. There are 12 verb tenses in English, and this video will teach you about the 3 perfect continuous verb tenses. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and of course, future perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous is a verb tense used for a past action that happened at the same time as something else, or a time. For example, I had been running when you called. You can see the black line is had been running and the X is you called. She had been living there for 3 years when the volcano erupted. We had been building the house since 2017 when it burned down. You had been trying to learn English for a long time, and then it clicked. This had been happening. Future perfect continuous is a verb tense used for a future action that will happen at the same time as something else or time. Very similar to past perfect continuous. At 3 p.m., I will have been running for 2 hours. Next month, we will have been building this house for a full year. If it rains tomorrow, it will have been raining for the whole week. I will have been playing piano for 45 minutes when you get home. We can see the black verbs, will have been, happens before the red verbs. This will have been happening. And finally, present perfect continuous is a verb tense used for actions that started in the past and they may continue. You have been living there since January. It's true right now and it might continue. She has been struggling to arrive on time. Maybe she will arrive on time, maybe not in the future. We have been completing our work every day. It has been snowing all morning. Maybe it will snow in the afternoon, maybe not. This has been happening. And now for our quick review. Past perfect continuous, past action when something else happened. I had been reading quietly when you walked in. Present perfect continuous. Started in the past and it may continue. I have been reading quietly all afternoon. And finally, future perfect continuous. Future action when something else will happen. I will have been reading quietly when you walk in. Thanks for watching this video, everyone, and I hope to see you all next time.